All right, everyone. This is my meal prep. I'm prepping butter chicken. It's an Indian dish. It's a main dish. Um, so for this one, I'm doing like 16 and a half servings, which is like, in reality for me, it's about 2 days of eating. Two and a half, but yeah, 2 days and one morning of eating. So right here I have 4 pounds of chicken, um, chicken chunks. Cut them up myself, clean them off. I have some chicken stock, a cup and a half. I have tomato paste. I have garlic. I have, right here I have heavy cream along with coconut milk, 8 ounces of each, so 16 ounces. And in here I have a nice amount of spices. So right here I have 5 tablespoons of ginger, 4 tablespoons of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, 4 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of salt. Not a fan of salt. 4 teaspoons of ground cumin. I also have 2 sticks of butter over here. Not butter chicken unless it has butter in it. Also have 4 tablespoons of Garam Masala, and I have 3 tablespoons of red curry. Kind of like curry a lot. So I'm going to show you how to make this, and gonna get busy. So to start it off, you put the Instant Pot on saute. Switch it to medium. The way we do it here is, you hit it right there and go to normal. We're gonna do normal settings. It'll say when it's hot. It already said it was hot, so we're gonna let that get hot. Once it says hot, you're kind of ready to go. You're ready to start putting some of your stuff in here. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to put 2 sticks of butter in here. It'll get nice and hot, let it melt down. Let that melt down a little bit. Next, I'm going to put in I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. We got a couple of servings. I'm going to do 3. I'm going to cook this around until it gets a little golden. Not sticking too much to the bottom, but just gonna wait till it gets a golden brown color. Now, some people use water instead of using chicken stock. I use chicken stock because it brings up the flavor of the chicken. It doesn't dilute the chicken too much. That's about right. So next I'm gonna add my seasonings. Put them all in there. Get them cooking a little bit. I'm going to put in my tomato paste. Now normally if you're doing, you know, if you're doing this for like one person for, I don't know, a meal, you'll use maybe one of these. So it'll be the only time you actually buy this and you actually use it all. Chicken. I also added chicken broth in here. I added a cup and a half of chicken broth in here. I didn't realize that the camera cut off. So I'm just showing you. Put the chicken in here along with the chicken broth. I let the heavy cream and the coconut milk sit to the side. It's gonna go in afterwards. So I took it off of saute and I put it on pressure, put it on more. And once I did that, you know, throw the chicken in there. You don't have to really mix the chicken up in there. You can kind of just leave it, just drop it in there. You push it down a little bit. Also, if you have frozen chicken, you can still do it. With frozen chicken, it's gonna take a little bit longer, but you can still do it. Put the lid on, make sure it's locked. And make sure that the valve back here is on, you know, it's not venting, so that way you can keep all the pressure in there. So I want you to, while it's just cooking, I want you to enjoy this little brief shoulder workout that I have, and some cardio in there too. And we'll be back to see what it looks like when it's done, and do the finishing touches on it.
At the end of the day, homie, we up. We gon' stay up. Fuck these niggas. No looking back, ain't no going down. Only thing going down, nigga, is when I see some of these hoe ass niggas, man. Pulling up, parking lot. Somebody gon' get shot. Social media, don't talk a lot, cause somebody gon' get shot. I don't care who's in the car or not, cause somebody gon' get shot. I can make this gang shit start and stop, but somebody gon' get shot. Malcolm X with this chopper, I've been posted up by this window. I can't let these niggas come knock down without them build though. Cash, Huey P, I'm in all black. I told everybody go get the strap and we gon' shoot back. Y'all know how this shit go. In a double R tryna dodge the Rico. Street nigga tryna go legal. Why they niggas hating on me for? Really had to shoot my own people. Man, cause you missed your free throw. Nigga never gave me a kilo. You seen what happened to Debo, but nigga this not TV ho. Shoot a nigga 3 times CeeLo. Better nigga get hit, casino. We gon' stand in this street, shoot it out with police, this heat, Al Pacino. My cell door closed and I told myself when they uncuff bucket, let me go. Don't pick me up in no Phantom, come and scoop me up in that Regal. Then we pullin' up, parking lot. Somebody gon' get shot. Social media, don't talk a lot, cause somebody gon' get shot. I don't care who's in the car or not, cause somebody gon' get shot. I can make this gang shit start and stop, but somebody gon' get shot. Malcolm X with this chopper, I've been posted up by this window. I can't let these niggas come knock down without them build though. Cash, Huey P, I'm in all black. I told everybody go get the strap and we gon' shoot back. Y'all know how this shit go. Y'all murder case, beat that. I seen shells where niggas sleep at. I tell all my niggas we don't need that. I try to make sure my kids didn't see that. I got a stick on the table, white brick and a bitch for a neighbor. If he snitch, I'ma raid him. Kick his door in the ale. A nigga not play. We really been robbing for this ring. Niggas been jogging, got a spring. Niggas been talking like they lit. Now they got problems about that shit. How they got calls from all the OGs asking when I'ma quit. I tell them I got my get back, but my young niggas still with this shit. They pulling up, parking lot. Somebody gon' get shot. Social media, don't talk a lot, cause somebody gon' get shot. I don't care who's in the car or not, cause somebody gon' get shot. I can make this gang shit start and stop, but somebody gon' get shot. Malcolm X with this chopper, I've been posted up by this window. I can't let these niggas come knock down without them build though. Huey P, I'm in all black. I told everybody go get the strap and we gon' shoot back. Y'all know how this shit go. Y'all, you niggas done did all this talking and shit. You understand what I'm saying? You niggas do all of this Instagram thugging and shit. You understand me? You Facebook fake gangsta ass niggas. You understand? They wanna see a nigga. You understand? And run and hide behind cars and send all kind of messages through bitches. Nigga, fuck you niggas, nigga. I'm talking about this real street shit, nigga. I'm talking about really coming to see you niggas. I ain't playing with you bitch ass niggas. You niggas act like y'all wasn't playing with me, right? Well, now you niggas gon' play my game, niggas. And I play for keeps. Somebody better ask your daddy and your mama about a nigga like me. Nigga, it's not Young Buck no more, you little bitch. Call me Buckshots, nigga. My shit spread around the world, nigga. Niggas ain't safe no more. Rap bitch ass niggas out here. I don't have no rap.
Alright, so chicken's done. It's 165 for more than 10 seconds. Now for the last of it, I'm gonna pour in coconut milk along with heavy cream. Give it some color. Stir this up a little bit. That nice orange color. And there you go. Done. Now if you use water to do the pressure, and what you'll do is you'll let that count down to 10, let the pressure come out by itself, and then you do the release valve. But that's about it. Hope you had fun, enjoy. Let me know what you think about this meal.